Every single day, your kidneys quietly filter more than 50 gallons of blood, cleaning out harmful toxins and waste materials. Yet, millions of people don't realize their kidneys are slowly becoming overloaded until it's far too late to reverse the damage. Research shows that almost 15% of adults worldwide have some level of kidney dysfunction, often caused by dehydration or poor lifestyle choices. One of the earliest warning signs of kidney distress is rising creatinine levels, which signal that your body's filters are struggling. But here's something fascinating. Several natural homemade drinks can help flush toxins, restore balance, and support healthy creatinine levels naturally. These drinks are easy to make, scientifically backed, and can be added to your routine without expensive supplements or medication. Stay tuned till the end, because drink number 10 is something most people throw away daily. Yet it's a true kidney lifesaver. Welcome back to our channel, your trusted space for natural remedies, holistic wellness, and kidney health education. If you've been dealing with fatigue, water retention, dark urine, or mild swelling, your kidneys might be working harder than usual. The kidneys are small but mighty. They regulate fluid balance, control blood pressure, and remove waste through urine every single day. But when toxins, medications, or poor diet overload them, your creatinine levels begin to rise, signaling potential kidney stress or reduced filtration. That's where these 10 simple homemade drinks come in, each designed to cleanse, hydrate, and support kidney detoxification naturally. You'll be amazed how easy it is to bring your kidneys back to balance using ingredients already sitting in your kitchen. From lemon-infused warm water to refreshing herbal coolers, every drink we share today helps improve hydration and kidney performance. So, make sure to watch till the end and take notes, because small daily habits can create huge health transformations. Have you ever tried a homemade kidney detox drink before? Comment yes or no below. Let's see how many of you already started caring for your kidneys naturally. Drink number 1, lemon and warm water detox. The first and simplest remedy on our list is warm water with fresh lemon juice, a morning ritual with remarkable benefits. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, which binds with calcium in urine, preventing the formation of painful kidney stones. It also helps balance urinary pH, which makes it harder for minerals and toxins to crystallize inside your kidneys over time. Studies show that consuming lemon water regularly can reduce the chance of kidney stones by as much as 30%. The natural vitamin C and antioxidants present in lemons fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and promote better blood filtration. To prepare it, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm, not hot, water every morning. Drink it on an empty stomach to kickstart digestion, stimulate metabolism, and flush out toxins that accumulated overnight. For enhanced mineral balance and taste, you could add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt or a teaspoon of raw honey. Remember, dehydration is the most common reason for increased creatinine, so even simple hydration like this can bring real improvement. Stay consistent for a few weeks, and your kidneys will thank you with better clarity, less swelling, and more energy. Do you drink lemon water in the morning? Let me know your experience in the comments below. It inspires others too. Drink number 2, cucumber and mint cooler. Next on our list is the cucumber and mint cooler, one of the most hydrating drinks for kidney support during hot days. Cucumbers are made of nearly 95% water, and their natural potassium helps flush out excess sodium that strains kidney function. When your kidneys have to handle less sodium, they can filter waste more efficiently and reduce internal pressure. Mint adds refreshing flavor and powerful detox properties. It supports bowel flow, reduces urinary tract inflammation, and aids digestion. Together, cucumber and mint form a cooling, alkalizing combination that restores pH balance and encourages healthy urine output. To prepare it, blend half a cucumber with a handful of mint leaves and 1 glass of cold water until smooth. Strain the mixture and add a few drops of lemon juice for taste and extra cleansing power. Drink this refreshing cooler mid-morning or after a meal to stay hydrated and promote toxin elimination. The best part? It's low in calories, high in antioxidants, and excellent for both your kidneys and skin health. Many people are surprised how quickly their bloating reduces and energy improves after just a few days of regular intake. Most people assume only herbal teas cleanse kidneys, but hydrating, mineral-rich drinks like this one are equally powerful. Drink number 3, coriander and cumin water. The third remedy is a powerful Ayurvedic classic, coriander and cumin seed water, known for its deep detox and digestive benefits. Both coriander and cumin are natural diuretics, meaning they help your body remove excess salt, urea, and stored toxins naturally. They also reduce internal heat, which can help those who frequently experience urinary discomfort or inflammation. To make it, simply boil 1 teaspoon each of coriander and cumin seeds in 2 cups of clean water. Allow it to simmer for 5 minutes, strain, and drink once it cools to a comfortable temperature. You can drink this tea once or twice daily, ideally after meals to improve digestion and kidney function simultaneously. This drink has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to balance doshas, the body's natural energy systems. Modern research supports its effectiveness too, showing that these seeds contain antioxidants that protect nephrons, the kidney's tiny filters. Over time, regular consumption can support toxin elimination, reduce bloating, and even help lower mildly elevated creatinine levels naturally. Have you ever tried coriander or cumin water? If not, which of these ingredients do you already use at home? Drink number 4, watermelon and basil juice. Drink number 4 combines sweetness with healing. Watermelon and basil juice is both delicious and deeply cleansing. Watermelon contains 92% water, making it one of nature's most powerful hydrators for flushing waste through the urinary system. It's rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that protects kidney cells from oxidative damage caused by toxins and metabolic stress. Basil, known as tulsi in Ayurveda, supports both kidney and liver detox, helping balance electrolytes and prevent stone formation. To make this, blend a few watermelon cubes with 5 fresh basil leaves and half a cup of cold water. Strain and enjoy it fresh. Avoid storing it long because the nutrients are best when consumed immediately. The natural sugars in watermelon are perfectly balanced by its water content, preventing excess load on your kidneys. Drinking this once a day in summer can reduce inflammation, support urine flow, and gently lower creatinine levels. It's not just a drink. It's nature's way of refreshing and rejuvenating your kidneys from the inside out. Did you know? Studies have shown that watermelon extract can lower kidney inflammation markers within just 3 weeks of consistent use. Drink number 5, ginger lemon detox shot. The 5th remedy is a potent tonic, the ginger lemon detox shot, a small drink with powerful cleansing effects. Ginger improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and supports the kidneys by helping the body process and eliminate waste more efficiently. Lemon adds alkalinity and vitamin C, together forming a duo that boosts both liver and kidney function naturally. To make it, blend a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger with a teaspoon of lemon juice and half a cup of warm water. Drink it 3 times a week, preferably in the morning before meals, to jumpstart your metabolism and cleanse your system. Many people report improved digestion, reduced bloating, and clearer urine within just a week of using this remedy. The antioxidants in ginger also help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress, one of the key causes of high creatinine. If you're finding these natural remedies helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Your support helps us share life-changing kidney health education with thousands of people seeking natural healing worldwide. Drink number 6, barley water, the natural kidney filter. The 6th drink is one of the oldest and most trusted natural kidney tonics in both Ayurveda and modern medicine. It's called barley water, and it has been used for generations to cleanse the body, reduce swelling, and support kidney filtration. Barley is rich in beta-glucans, a special type of soluble fiber known to reduce cholesterol and support blood sugar balance naturally. What makes barley water special is its mild diuretic effect, which helps your kidneys gently flush excess salt, toxins, and waste. This reduces creatinine buildup and encourages the natural cleansing process your kidneys perform every single day. To prepare it, boil 2 tablespoons of whole barley in 4 cups of clean water until it reduces to about half. Strain the liquid, allow it to cool, and sip it slowly throughout the day for best detoxification results. You may add a few drops of lemon juice or honey for taste, but avoid sugar as it burdens the kidneys. Consistent use of barley water supports fluid balance, helps manage uric acid, and improves your overall glomerular filtration rate, GFR. Many kidney specialists actually recommend barley water as a gentle home remedy for those with early signs of kidney stress. Remember, small daily hydration habits like this can make a remarkable difference over weeks of consistent use. Have you ever tried barley water before? Tell us in the comments if you noticed any improvements in your energy or swelling. Drink number 7, apple cider vinegar and honey elixir. Drink number 7 is a simple yet highly effective apple cider vinegar and honey mixture that balances pH and promotes detoxification. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, contains natural acetic acid, which helps dissolve mineral deposits that could otherwise form kidney stones. When taken properly in diluted form, it supports alkalinity, enhances digestion, and improves your kidney's ability to filter blood efficiently. Combine 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered ACV with 1 teaspoon of organic honey in a glass of warm water. Stir gently and drink it before lunch or dinner, but avoid drinking it on an empty stomach to protect your digestion. Honey adds gentle sweetness and provides enzymes that help your body absorb nutrients and improve metabolic cleansing. Regular intake can reduce uric acid buildup, help balance electrolytes, and even support a gradual reduction in creatinine levels. Many people assume vinegar damages kidneys, but that's a myth. When diluted correctly, it actually supports detox and internal balance. Just remember, moderation is key. Use it 3 to 4 times a week, not daily, for safe, consistent benefits. This drink works best when combined with a clean diet and proper hydration habits throughout the day. Do you use apple cider vinegar in your diet already? Comment below and share your favorite healthy way to take it. Drink number 8, green tea with dandelion root. The 8th drink is a powerful herbal infusion that combines green tea and dandelion root, creating one of nature's best detox blends. Green tea contains polyphenol that fight oxidative stress and protect kidney cells from free radical damage. Dandelion root, on the other hand, acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine flow and helping flush stored toxins efficiently. When you combine these two, you create a synergistic drink that supports both detoxification and overall urinary tract health. To prepare it, steep 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves with half a teaspoon of dried dandelion root in hot water for 5 minutes. Strain it, allow it to cool slightly, and sip it warm in the morning or evening. This tea helps balance sodium and potassium levels while supporting your body's natural pH equilibrium. Dandelion contains compounds like terexasterol, which have been proven to protect kidney tissues from oxidative damage. The antioxidants in green tea also promote blood vessel health, improving circulation and kidney oxygenation. When taken regularly, this combination may help lower mild inflammation markers and gently support creatinine control. You can drink this brew daily, but make sure not to oversteep it, as green tea's tannins can become bitter if brewed too long. Which herbal tea do you prefer for detox? Green tea, chamomile, or mint? Type your choice in the comments below. Drink number 9, pineapple and parsley infused water. Our 9th remedy feels tropical, but is incredibly therapeutic. The pineapple and parsley infused water. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known for reducing inflammation and supporting the body's natural healing response. Parsley, meanwhile, is one of the best herbal diuretics, helping flush excess fluid, uric acid, and waste materials from your kidneys. When blended together, they create a refreshing, vitamin-rich water that supports kidney purification and enhances filtration efficiency. To prepare it, Add 1 thick pineapple slice and a handful of washed parsley to 2 cups of water. Blend for about 30 seconds, strain, and enjoy this drink once daily for 5 to 7 days a week. This drink improves urine output, reduces puffiness in the face and ankles, and supports a healthy glomerular filtration rate, GFR. Its enzyme content also helps reduce inflammation in the urinary tract, making it easier for kidneys to function smoothly. It's an excellent detox choice for those struggling with fluid retention, bloating, or mild kidney discomfort. You'll notice lighter, clearer urine and improved energy levels after a consistent week of use. Would you drink something green like this daily if it improved your kidney health? Type yes in the comments if you're ready. Drink number 10, coconut water, the natural dialysis drink. The final drink is nature's own electrolyte solution, pure coconut water, often called a natural dialysis drink for good reason. Coconut water is rich in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, which together help maintain electrolyte balance and reduce sodium overload. When kidneys are overworked, maintaining electrolyte stability becomes vital, and coconut water provides that balance in the gentlest possible way. It helps flush out excess toxins, prevents stone formation, and supports better hydration without stressing the kidneys. In many tropical cultures, coconut water has been used traditionally to treat dehydration, urinary tract infections, and mild kidney inflammation. Drinking 1 glass daily helps improve urine clarity, maintain blood pressure stability, and support natural creatinine reduction over time. For best results, choose fresh, unprocessed coconut water rather than packaged or flavor varieties that may contain added sugar. This simple habit can protect your kidneys while giving your body a steady supply of clean, plant-based hydration. Think of it as nature's perfect balance of minerals, a pure gift your kidneys will absolutely love. Did you know? Coconut water contains cytokinins, plant compounds known to prevent oxidative damage and aging in human kidney tissues. Final note, and there you have it, the 10 best homemade drinks for kidney cleansing and natural creatinine control. Each one is simple, affordable, and backed by traditional wisdom and modern science for long-term kidney protection. The key is consistency. Choose 2 or 3 drinks you enjoy most and rotate them throughout your week for best results. Along with these drinks, remember to stay active, avoid processed food, and drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. With patience and mindful choices, your kidneys can regenerate strength and filter your blood more efficiently every single day. You don't need harsh detox products or expensive supplements. Nature already provides everything your body needs to heal naturally. Try these drinks regularly, track your energy levels, and you'll notice positive changes within just a few weeks. And when your body feels cleaner and lighter, you'll realize how powerful these small natural steps truly are. Which of these 10 drinks will you start with? Lemon water, barley water, or coconut water? Comment your choice below and inspire someone else to start their kidney health journey today. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more natural kidney care videos coming every week.